So here we have both of the cowbells. I love that they both have the openings on the top because the designs that you can come up with are virtually endless. So what I'm going to be doing is using the bigger one, and I'm going to be styling some of these stems on it for the seasonal holidays. So I'm just going to grab this one. I have the stem all bent because I do need it to be smaller to fit this area, and then we just push it in, and that's one part. You have the other one as well that I've already bent. You place it in with the other one, and then the most important part is you kind of want to open up these leaves, these stems, to look as natural as possible, kind of a relaxed look. And there you have it. This would look cute in the back, and then you can have the smaller one layered in the front.